Yeah. Me and my nigga Red Paul was on the way to the studio. And Cuz had that Wiz and Currency mixtape and the tape that the City Changer. And I heard this beat, I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, you know, only thought it's right for my 58,000 league. Shit on here we go. Like this.
Look, 7 days a week, 7 different freaks, but I got tired of fucking hoes, so I just smoke and count my cheeks. Watching Godfather, leather couches, flat screens. I say I'm on this marathon. She asked me what does that mean? Ain't no puffin' pass, please. Roll your own, I do the same. Girl, get on that Marlon Brando and stop trying to pick my brain. Your boyfriend is a lame, that's why you not used to this game. And if you looking for me, I'll be first class on the plane. X-name my landing gear, cause I don't need no runway. My final destination is a cloud since a one-way. Fucking with them streets, ain't no stranger to this gunplay. But now I eat these beats and I'll never take a lunch break. Back to back, swisher sweets, never grow no sober shit. Post-traumatic stress, I feel like that's what I'm coping with. So I smoke the best, impossible not to notice this. 30,000 feet up across the Atlantic Ocean with a pack of swishers. In the box I ain't even open yet. I'm trying to live my life so when it's over I got no regrets.